this is the first challenge of Chapter 3. So you're going to begin by finding a file called markchallenges, CHPO3. We'll pull up a file kind of like this. So you're going to start by making the first vertical line of the step. So pick a random spot somewhere where you got a lot of room. So you start by making a line that is 1,250 feet, or technically units long. So make your line. Now, you may remember that there was a command to make multiple of the exact same object very easily, and that's array. This challenge is a culmination of everything you've learned up to this point. So go up to Array Classic, click in it. There are 13 steps. If you counted them, there is one row, and you're going to do a rectangular array, and the distance between each column, which is each step, is 275, which is given to you. Now, you're going to select the object. If it did not select automatically, and then you're going to press preview. Notice your steps, press enter. Now go up here, click to make your line. Notice how it's 300 and it's 3,300 units. Now you need another 1,250 units for that top step, so that's 4,550. Make it exactly what you need. Now do this other line, and for this one it's given as 179 units. And now focus in on that. So how can you make this up here without having to do it again? Obviously you'll use the mirror. Select it, enter. Now you can use your midpoint snap to snap onto this line that you just made, and there's your perfect image. Press no for erasing the source object, and you just put this back line in, and there's your staircase. So that's the first staircase you make. So now you have to move it over to the this staircase over here. A few ways of doing it. I kind of like doing it in a two-step process where you move it over. You pick this corner because it's shown in the tutorial exactly the distance you need between it and the wall. This distance from left to right is 265 units. Now you may notice that it's not what it looks like in the picture. So what you do is you then do you select it again, you move it, and now you're moving it down 120. Now you have a perfect staircase. Now you may notice you want this one to have a staircase too, this little box down here. So how will you do it without having to create a staircase again? Select everything again. Make sure you get all these little lines here. Put this line up here. Now you just have to mirror it. Select your mirror point as the midpoint of this line in the back, because it's the actual. It goes along the entire length of this blueprint or building or whatever it is, and you just mirror it and enter, and try that again. Apparently, didn't catch what I wanted to do. Try that again. Sometimes you may not be able to get it the first time. When in doubt, just try again. There you go. Now you notice it's exactly the same image as up there. Go to your layout. Notice how this does not have that drawing in it. So the way you resolve that, just right click, new layout, brings out a new layout. It has the drawing in it. Now you're good. Put in your initials and export it. Do not save. That's it.